Why is thinning herb seedlings so important in a hydroponic garden, and how to do it correctly? Welcome to the Grow Hydro Herbs channel, where we help you grow lush and healthy herbs with indoor hydroponics. I'm Mike, your host. Today, we're diving into an important topic: thinning your herb seedlings for optimal growth. If you enjoy videos like these, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Links to more details and relevant posts will be in the description below. You might be wondering, why should I remove perfectly healthy plants? Well, thinning is all about creating the best possible environment for your herbs to thrive. Let's get into it. Thinning herb seedlings in a hydroponic garden is essential for preventing overcrowding. When your plants are too close together, they compete for nutrients, light, and space, which can stunt their growth. By thinning, you'll ensure the remaining plants have enough space, and this leads to healthier herbs with stronger stems and better yields. It's one of those small steps that makes a big difference. So, when should you thin your herbs? It depends on the plant, but ideally, you'll want to start when the seedlings reach about 4 to 6 inches tall. This is the perfect time because the plants are large enough to handle, but still young enough to respond well to the thinning process. You should also look for signs like overcrowded foliage, yellowing leaves at the bottom, or when your nutrient solution seems a bit off. These are good indicators that it's time to start thinning. Now, let's talk tools. You don't need much, just a good pair of sharp pruning shears or small scissors. These will help you make clean cuts without damaging the surrounding plants. Make sure they're sharp. You might also want a small measuring tool to ensure your plants have enough space after thinning. A little planning goes a long way here. Alright, let's walk through the thinning process step by step. First, assess your plants. Identify which areas are overcrowded and need attention. If you're like me, you put 3 seeds in every pod in hopes that at least one would sprout, and they all did. So there you go. Second, choose your targets. Look for the weaker or smaller seedlings and focus on removing those. Finally, make your cuts. Use pruning shears or small scissors to carefully snip the base of the weaker plants. Be gentle so you don't harm the other plants. By doing this, you give the remaining plants the best chance to grow strong and healthy. Once you've finished thinning, it's time to focus on aftercare. Make sure you're keeping the nutrient levels in check, as your remaining plants will now have more access to the solution. Also, check that your light setup is optimal. With fewer plants, you might need to reposition your lights to ensure even exposure. Keep an eye on airflow too, since proper circulation helps prevent disease and encourages stronger growth. And that's it. By thinning your herb seedlings, you'll set up your hydroponic garden for long-term success. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more indoor gardening tips. For more detailed guides, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Mike saying keep on hydroponicking.